In today's video, we are going to discuss about 5 transactions. Let's start from first transaction, which is to display stock requirement list. In this first transaction, we use monitor stock requirement list app from the Fiori app, and the main objective of this transaction is to review the material status. And we have done to display the material status or availability, which is 276 for deluxe touring bike black color, and we have also done for red color, which is 6, and there is no stock of deluxe touring bike silver. As we can see, there is zero available quantity. And we have also done the question answer, as you can see here. And in this second transaction, it is to display bill of material, and we use maintain bill of material app from the Fiori app, and it is used to display and review a bill of material. We can create, change, and display the bill of material. uh, this first screenshot is upper page of this website or of this page, and this second screenshot is lower part of this uh, website or this page. And in this third screenshot, it's about this third transaction, it's about display multi-level bill of material, and we have to use display multi-level bill of material or BOM from the Fiori app. We get it after execute, and the second one we get it after when we go back and click view and select variable list and click on execute. And in this fourth transaction, which is display routing, and it is after allocating the item overview with allocation button, which we can find in upper side. Here it is not shown because it is already all allocated. And when we do scheduling, we get this output. For scheduling, we have to go back to menu and extra and scheduling and then schedule. And in this fifth transaction, which is about display work center, and we use display work center app from the Fiori app. It is used to view work center and use formula, see capacity, and so on. And in this first screenshot, it is after using the formula we give unit for the formula. And in this last screenshot, we can get the output from above formula.